Okay guys, super excited today. Today I start to build my gaming PC. I am building Maximum PCs Turbo Edition. The specs on everything are right here. I'm going to start today with unboxing the power supply. And by the time I'm done with this series of videos, which is probably going to be about a week past this one, I'm going to have a total build of everything, how to install it, cabling, all of that, because I've had a hard time finding a comprehensive build of it. Okay, so here, first of all, you got the 750 watt gold power supply. Okay, and here is all the specs on the back. I'm just going to go ahead and if you want to pause it, if you have a large enough screen, you should be able to pause that and read everything that they have on the back there. And then let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, with this, they give some really luxurious packaging. For a power supply, I mean, this is totally awesome. First of all, you got a cool instruction book here. Shows you where to plug all your cables in and everything. So, that's nice. And then you got some really cool stuff. You got a EVGA bag here. If you open it up here, you could carry around all your cables. It's an expanding bag, so you could put all the cables in there, carry them around. And this thing comes with a lot of cables, guys. We're going to run through exactly what cables are there in 1 minute. And it comes with a couple more pieces down here for the power supply to the motherboard. And these are like Velcro strips, so when you install it, so you could keep the build and everything nice and clean. And then the power supply is really nicely packaged. You got foam on the two sides, and the power supply comes in a nice little EVGA bag here with the Velcro strap. So go ahead and unstrap it. And here is all the specs on it. Let me zoom in on this so you could read it. Okay, and here is a look at the back side of it, the other side, and a look at, actually, well, this would be like the front where you plug in all your cabling here. So awesome. Let's go ahead and check out what cables actually came with it. Okay, so here are some of the cables you get with it. You get one 24-pin ATX cable here, which connects to your motherboard. You get two 4+4 pin CPU cables. So that would be these. You get four 6+2 pin GPU cables. So that would be for your graphics processor unit. This says VGA on the cables. And they are all identical here. Good look at the different connections. Then you get three SATA cables. Each one of the SATA cables has three connections on it. So these would be for like your hard drive, your DVD, or your Blu-ray. So each one of these cables could connect 3 devices. So you could connect 9 devices with those cables. Then you get the peripheral cables, which would be it's one cable for 4 Molex cable connections. So that would be these here. The Velcro ties here so you could clean up your cabling. And then you got the floppy drive adapter connector, which would be this one here. And then you also have a EVGA detection tool. So you could actually use this to use the power supply to like run a fan or something without actually being plugged into your motherboard. So that is a really cool option also. So you could test stuff, and you got a few screws here to attach it to the computer. Okay, one last thing I wanted to show you guys the cables, guys. They are very nice, high quality cables. I mean, you get cables like this, you don't even need to get different extensions. I mean, nice black. It's almost like a braided type look. So I mean, this would look really good in your computer, which once I get it all set up, you will see. And guys, keep watching, and I will be building this computer throughout the week. I'm going to be opening up each of the components, showing you guys exactly what's in the box, giving you some details. And then at the end, probably about 5 days from now, I will have a detailed build of the whole computer.
Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.